One of the best ways to get the message to potential customers to join or opt into your campaign is to create widgets. So click on Actions next to our Copious Sports program. Here are several choices for creating new campaigns. There are basically 3 ways we can get people to opt in to your business from here. Send an email or direct mail message to people who you already have in your database who have not opted in with their mobile phone. Direct people to text into their cell phone a keyword to send to a shortcode. Or create a widget which allows a person to enter their phone number and other information which confirms they are opting in. This widget can be displayed on emails, social media sites, and web pages. From the Actions drop-down list, we see Send Message, View Message, Manage Campaigns, Create New Widget, Edit Program, and Edit SMS Responses. We have a section on learning all of these options, but here we want to build a widget to invite people to opt in to our example sports store. Feel free to follow along and experiment with this program or do each step with us. Select the Create New Widget option, and the screen will load up with the Copia Mobile Opt-in Widget Builder. For our demonstration, we are going to use 2 channels to get our sports store opt-in widget campaign to potential customers. We are going to create a widget for social networking and another for web page or email campaign. We can create those campaigns right in this program. Before creating an opt-in widget, it is helpful to know where it is going to be displayed. Is it on a mobile web page or regular web page, an email, or Facebook, a banner or full-size widget? We'll also need to know what information you need from a customer, their mobile phone number, email address, area code, personal information. Each campaign will have its own requirements. The first thing we are asked is to name our widget. Let's call our first one Sports Widget 1. Next, we are asked to select a size. Depending on where you are placing this, you can choose an appropriate size. Don't worry, if you decide later you would like another style, you can always come back and edit this widget. Even if it has been deployed, changes made in the widget are dynamically updated. We will make our first widget for Facebook, so pick the large one. On the right, we can select different default skins and instantly see what they look like on our widget. Let's customize our look. Let's create something simple for our first campaign. Pick solid color. Notice we could pick transparent to let another image show through a bit. In this case, let's find a color background by clicking the background color box. Pick a color you like. If you have a header or footer logo image you want to use, upload it here. Let's add a header that says, "Get up to 50% off your favorite item." Notice we can choose our text color, font type, and size. Let's do white Arial italic at 24 point. And a subheader that says, "Join now and save big," and make it dark blue at 20 points. We can even add a little ticker that says Save. Make it white and 12 points. With the body and buttons and forms color boxes, we can use the default areas of our widget. Choose a light green for body to make it easier to read on the widget. You can see how you can adjust the look and feel of a widget very easily with this system, and have a very attractive and professional looking widget built very rapidly. Now, depending on what information you need to capture from your customer, you can easily pick other fields you want on the screen. As you can see, we already have the required field of mobile number. But just click in the boxes to add to your database first and last name, email address, birth date, city, zip code. Let's just go for name and email. You can also add new fields that allow me to ask questions of my potential customers that are unique to my particular business. You can toggle on age verification, terms and conditions, which allow you to add a small disclaimer or link to a web page to read them. Enable sharing option will allow you to share this widget on Facebook with your friends. The send verification option allows you to get a confirmation from the subscriber about his subscription process in the forms of, please reply keyword Y to finalize your confirmation in this program. If this option is selected, the subscription process will be a 2-message process, only used by very few providers. Next, we see Preview Image, which uploads a thumbnail for Facebook. This thumbnail will show up in Facebook when accessing this widget. Post Title. This is the first message that will appear on the right side of the Facebook thumbnail. Post Description. This is a message of the title used above, and it is the third line on the right side of the Facebook thumbnail. Link Back URL. This is a URL that is used under the post title message. Once we have created our widget, we can select Save and Embed. And it will then allow us to embed this widget on social media sites. We could also use it on websites, email campaigns, or other mechanisms for communicating with customers and getting them to join our mobile opting program. We are going to put our newly created widget on our Facebook page. Click on the Facebook button that is going to direct our system to allow us to then post this up on the profile in Facebook. I'm going to click here on Share. Once I click on Share, I can then go and look at my Facebook profile and see that there is now a widget on my Facebook wall. Now there is a place people can visit and not only opt into our campaign, but also allow people to click Share This and start a viral campaign from their own Facebook profiles. Allowing the widget to be shared with their friends, family, and social community. This could also be posted on Twitter, LinkedIn, or any social site you would like to put it on. Click on Program again. Choose Actions and Create Widget. Name it Sports Widget 2 and choose the large widget. Now for our background, click on Upload Background. We have a link to graphics for our Copia Sports store that includes the background store logo and text offer all in one graphic we created in Photoshop. We just locate and choose Copia Sports Background and click Open. If you have a logo or picture you would like to include on this widget, when you select Upload Background, you can choose anything you've created. The file must be no more than 50K. To find out about file types and size, plus the screen sizes, click on Tips. Remember, when creating your own screens, to leave room for the default phone number entry field. If you plan on using other fields or default disclaimers, you need to have room in your design. It looks very professional with a compelling offer. Click Save and Embed. We want to put this on our web page, so copy the embed code and paste it into the Web Page Builder program. You can also embed this code into an email or URL. Now when people visit your website, they can opt in for great deals, and you can send them more great offers right to their cell phone. There are other ways to get people to opt in to your campaign, from SMS messages to TV, radio, or print ads. You can just tell people to type in the keyword and short code number to opt in to receive these great offers right on their cell phone. See our training sections on these topics to learn how.